Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right in the Cloudflare dashboard. Sign in and open the domain. Once there, click the DNS tab and choose Add Record. You add the type first because Cloudflare uses that to validate the value, then enter the name and the value exactly as your provider specifies. Make a quick choice about TTL, auto is fine, and decide if you want proxying enabled because proxied records mask origin IPs and add Cloudflare features. Once you add a record, validate it immediately by inspecting the DNS list and using the search filter. You should avoid duplicates. Cloudflare won't merge conflicting and CNAME entries for the same name, so remove or edit conflicts. For MX, ensure priority numbers are correct and that mail targets are not proxied. If you're adding TXT records for verification, paste the exact string and set TTL. Remember to save each record before moving. Finish by confirming name server changes at your registrar if prompted, then monitor propagation. Many changes appear in minutes, but allow up to 48 hours. If something fails, run dig or ENS lookup against Cloudflare's name servers to see authoritative records and check whether Cloudflare's proxy is hiding the origin. If mail or verification fails, make sure the MX or TXT record is not proxied or duplicated. And if needed, remove the conflicting record type, a versus CNAME, and re-add it correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.